Introducing Light and Reflection. Part 1.
Definition of light. Light is a form of electromagnetic radiation that can be perceived by our eyes. It is composed of tiny particles called photons, which travel in. These waves move through space at the speed of approximately 299,792 kilometers per second, or 310 raised to 8 meters per second, which is the speed of light. Different types of objects. Objects can be classified into 3 categories based on their interaction with light. 1. Transparent objects. These objects allow light to pass through them with little or no scattering. Examples include clear glass and air. 2. Translucent objects. These objects allow some light to pass through but scatter it in various directions. Examples include frosted glass and thin paper. 3. Opaque objects. Opaque objects do not allow light to pass through. Instead, they absorb or reflect light. Most everyday objects, like walls and wooden tables, fall into this category. Reflection of light. Reflection occurs when light bounces off the surface of an object. Reflection can be categorized into 2 types, regular and irregular reflection. 1. Regular reflection. This type of reflection occurs when light rays bounce off a smooth and polished surface, like a mirror. The angles at which the incident and reflected rays meet are equal. Regular reflection creates clear and sharp images. 2. Irregular reflection. Irregular reflection occurs on rough or uneven surfaces, such as a crumpled piece of aluminum foil. Light rays scatter in various directions, resulting in a blurred or diffuse reflection. No distinct images are formed in irregular reflection. What is a mirror? A mirror is an object with a smooth and highly reflective surface, typically made of glass coated with a thin layer of metal like aluminum or silver. Mirrors are designed to produce regular reflections, creating clear and sharp images of objects in front of them. Laws of reflection. The reflection of light follows 2 fundamental laws. The first law of reflection: the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal, a line perpendicular to the surface, all lie in the same plane. The second law of reflection: the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Key terms used in the reflection of light ray diagrams. Incident ray. The incident ray is the light ray that approaches a reflecting surface. It's like the arrow pointing to a mirror or any reflective surface. Reflected ray. The reflected ray is the light ray that bounces off the reflecting surface. It's the arrow pointing away from the mirror after the reflection. Normal line. The normal line is an imaginary line that's perpendicular to the surface where the reflection occurs. Angle of incidence. The angle of incidence is the angle between the incident ray and the normal line. Angle of reflection. The angle of reflection is the angle between the reflected ray and the normal line. These laws of reflection explain how mirrors work and are fundamental in understanding how light interacts with surfaces. Ever wondered why a straw appears bent in a glass of water, or why a rainbow paints the sky with its vibrant colors? Join me in the upcoming video as we unravel the mysteries of light bending and explore the mesmerizing world of refraction. If you liked this video, do share with friends, like it, subscribe and comment below. Till then, keep learning. Take care.